wonderful turnout. This is really, truly amazing. Good morning, everyone. My name is Angela Gonzalez-Perez. I'm the Vice President of Operations for New York Presbyterian Hudson Valley Hospital. This is a great scene from my point of view. Want to welcome you all here to our Chef Peter X. Kelly Teaching Kitchen. We want to thank you. New York Presbyterian Hospital is pleased to join the city of Peekskill, Feeding Westchester, and on the Cooking for Health program for seniors. We would like to thank Westchester County Executive George Latimer. Welcome. City of Peekskill Mayor Andre Rainey, and Feeding Westchester's President and CEO Leslie Gordon. I know she couldn't be here today, but we want to sort of thank her for really partnering us with this program. We also like to welcome the City Mayor, Richard Leans. Good morning, how are you? And several of the council members that are here with us today, as well as the Feeding Westchester staff. All right. New York Presbyterian Hudson Valley Hospital's patient-centered approach goes beyond providing quality health care. Through numerous programs, community outreach activities, including physician lectures, and participation in local health fairs, our hospital is dedicated to contributing to the community's wellness by emphasizing healthful eating to prevent chronic diseases and promoting better health to children all the way to our seniors. With this vision in mind, the Chef Peter X. Kelly Teaching Kitchen, where we are here today, was created in July 2014 and has been part of the larger Harvest for Health program. When we were first approached about the Cooking for Health program by Chef Jonathan Zamora, Chef, thanks. We were very pleased to open our doors to this population of seniors who are cared for on a daily basis by the city's Senior Services Program. It was a natural fit for us because throughout the year, our teaching kitchen hosts a variety of cooking demonstration classes that range from general cooking instruction to very specific curriculum for diabetics, patients that have cancer, that have heart health problems, breastfeeding moms, children, and many other special groups. The senior cooking class will clearly impact the health and wellness of the participants by expanding their understanding and knowledge about the importance of maintaining and improving health through better nutrition. We look forward to continuing this collaborative effort through this and other innovative programs designed to help all of us reach the residents of Hudson Valley. I would like to acknowledge and thank our hospital team, Chef Emily Brenner, our clinical nutritionist, who's hiding back there, Jody Ferrari, our Director of Food and Nutrition, Joseph Malota, for collaborating with Jonathan Zamora to create this innovative program. With that, I'd like to welcome to the podium our County Executive, George Latimer.
Well, I'm happy to be here as part of this program that involves a terrific partnership between New York Presbyterian Hudson Valley Hospital, Feeding Westchester, and the local Peekskill community. Peter X. Kelly, an outstanding chef and restaurateur. I've had the opportunity, as you can see from my waistline, of having been in many settings. And Peter's commitment goes well beyond what he does in his restaurants and catered situations. The fact that he is here to help give this talent that he has through to other people really speaks much of your commitment to the community, Peter. Thank you very much for that. I made the joke about eating a lot, and it ties to the fact that I can't cook very well either. So this program probably is targeted for a person like me, who is also a senior, to be able to learn some things a little bit later in life that would wind up being very helpful for your nutrition. And the fact that the Hudson Valley Hospital and Feeding Westchester sees that as a need and has had this innovative program really speaks well. And my first reaction is we should have 10 of these all over the place. But we have one here. It's great to be a part of it, and I thank you for your commitment of time and energy and effort. On behalf of our county, we're grateful of what you're doing. Thank you.
Okay, with that, we'd like to welcome Chef Peter Excali.
Thank you. This is very exciting to be here and see the fruits of our labor. You know, nearly 5 years ago when we had this idea to build a teaching kitchen, the concept was based on collaboration, reaching out into the community and seeing what we could do to help nutrition, to help students learn about better eating habits, and how can we engage the community and do what it is we wanted to do, which was create better diets and better nutrition for people. This collaboration between Feeding Westchester and the hospital and the city of Peekskill is really what it's all about. And I think that Hudson Valley Hospital, New York Presbyterian, this is creating a footprint for a national footprint that can happen. So thanks for being here and participating. It's nice to be part of it.
Okay, and our mayor, City of Peekskill, Andre Rainey. Welcome.
All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning. I just want to say thank you for welcoming the City of Peekskill here. All my council colleagues are here this morning as well. Congratulations, Pete, Jonathan. The power of collaboration can take you a great distance, and this is an example of it, so we appreciate it. As you can see, I haven't reached George Latimer's size yet, so I plan on being here. And I also heard that George is going to allow the senior citizen age in New York to be 35, so I will be here supporting as best I can. But I do want to say congratulations to the great work that you have all done in our community, Peekskill and Cortland communities. We really appreciate it. We sincerely support it, and I plan on being here to attend. If you need somebody as a guinea to try the food out, I plan on being here. But on behalf of the City of Peekskill, congratulations to you all, and thank you for all your work, and we look forward to it. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name's Jonathan Zamora. I'm the Senior Services Site Manager for the City of Peekskill. I'd like to thank everyone for being here today and joining us in celebrating this collaborative achievement. Specifically, I'd like to thank the City of Peekskill leadership, Mayor Rainey, members of the Common Council, and our City Manager for your support, belief in this program, and your commitment to bringing progressive programs to the community that we proudly serve. I'd also like to especially thank the team at New York Presbyterian Hudson Valley Hospital, Ellen Bloom, Jody Ferrari, Emily Berner, for your creativity and for your knowledge and for all of the behind-the-scenes work that helps bring this program to life. Thanks also goes out to the team at Feeding Westchester, Leslie Gordon, Toby Pigeon, Monique McCoy, and Denise Titosian. Your excitement never ceases to surprise me, and we're very happy to continue working together in this program. So conversations for this program began over a year ago, and we wanted to bring about a program that is meaningful to the seniors in their daily lives, and I think that we've achieved that. And the fact that everyone standing in this room can attest the power of collaboration is very powerful, and I think this is a start of really something special. So thank you all very much.